It's time to start with the interior. And when I put my nose inside, I can smell it's 1985 in there. So first we're going to remove everything outside of the car and start with a decent vacuum to get rid of all the sacrificial dirt. The vacuum is finished. We tried to remove as much sacrificial dirt as we can. So now it's time to move on to interior deep cleaning. So we're going to use Omnia. Omnia is an APC quick interior detailer that has a neutral scent. You can smell that it's Omnia, but it doesn't leave a scent. As you wish, you can provide a scent to your choice to give the car a complete new scent on side of the interior. For the deep cleaning of the interior of the car, I'm going to use the 4-in-1 steam system for Mafra, the Geyser. So it has 4 systems. System number 1, the original standard vacuum. For deep cleaning, I'm using the extraction in combination with vacuum cleaning. In this case, for the deep cleaning of the interior, I use the RotorJet in combination with Omnia with a dilution of 1:4. But there is also the possibility to link in a foam system with an external air inject to create a nice foam blanket with any chemical you like. Now we're going to move on to clean the leather with our dedicated leather cleaner and nourishment Derma Cleaner. To protect the leather from color transfer, UV protection, mold, because I think in 30 years, more than 30 years, there has been some mold buildup. To protect against that, we're going to use Derma Sealant. For the application of Derma Sealant, we need clean leather, Derma Sealant, a microfiber applicator, and a microfiber towel. Spray on a little bit of Derma Sealant onto the microfiber applicator, rub into the surface, take any excess product off, and wait 20 minutes before repeating again.